I'm wearing no makeup right now and I look crazy, but I'm showered and I'm not post-gym. Imagine that. I wanted to film a quick entry, I was gonna say pre-video, intro for this video to kind of explain to you what it is, because I noticed that throughout most of the clips, well, all of the clips, I think it's just gonna be like music over and it's gonna be like just showing you what I was doing, because I didn't talk during any of this because most of it is like prepping food, meal prep type stuff, eating, and yeah, I didn't talk during any of it. So I wanted to film a quick intro. So in my last Fitness Friday video, I talked to you guys about kind of like my weekend eating schedule, and I'm on a pretty, sorry about that, I dropped my phone almost in the sink, luckily there's no water in it, but I'm on a pretty strict, I don't want to call it a diet, but I'm just eating very, very clean right now, very, very healthy, very, very clean. In my last Fitness Friday video, I kind of explained to you guys all about that, and I meal prep and I just eat like very clean. And the reason why is because I'm getting ready for my wedding, and my wedding dress fitting is on February 8th or 9th or something like that, where I'm gonna go and get it sized and altered, and I really want to be at the size that I want to be at when I get the dress fitted. Now granted, I don't think I'm gonna lose too many inches. I'm already pretty much the size that I think I'm gonna be, but I just, you know, you never know. So I'm getting like a pretty like shred diet thing right now, and then I have to maintain until my wedding. So this particular video is going to be what I eat on the weekends, not the weekdays. So the weekends, I give myself a little bit more leeway, I guess you can say, because I'm home and I'm able to make things and kind of experiment a little bit more. Whereas during the week, I work Monday through Friday, and I don't have a whole lot of time before or after work to like make extravagant food. So I meal prep and it's pretty dang boring. My last video, I showed you all about that, so you can go ahead and take a look at that if you want to see what my meal prepping looks like and kind of what I eat during the week. But this is going to be what I eat on the weekends. So it's kind of similar, but like some slight variations. So instead of hard-boiled eggs, I eat scrambled eggs because I can make scrambled eggs. And instead of chicken, maybe I'll do like a black bean burger, you know. So I kind of mix things up a little bit, but yeah, this is going to be what I eat in a day on the weekend.